Robbie Domingo. Napikan kay Kim Chu. Pina-NBI agad. Nag-post si Kim Chu ng kanyang excitement makatungtong sa ASAP stage. Ang sabi niya ay can't wait to see you guys there. Humanda na ang mga Kim Pao fans. Papatoban namin ang dance floor at yung buong ASAP stage. Tandaan, bawal lumabas. Hanapin nyo ang icing sa ibabaw ng cupcake nyo. Akin lang si Paulo. TY. Sa sobrang sensitive ni Robbie Domingo ay na-threaten na agad siya. Nag-reply siya sa post ni Kim Chu sa Instagram. Ang sabi niya ay can I consider this as a threat? Can I take legal actions against this? I don't tolerate this behavior. Agad na pumunta si Robbie Domingo sa NBI at umiyak habang nire-report ito. Nag-post pa siya sa Instagram na pinaparinggan si Kim Chu. Ang sabi niya ay accountability. I visited the NBI today and met with Chief Bomediano and attorney. Tukay. Thank you for answering all my questions. Isa. You can file a complaint against any government agency. Especially if your safety is at risk. It's free to file. Dalawa. Always take screenshots of your complaint and the URL. Even if it's deleted, the digital trace is still there. If someone deletes it, it could show intent. Tatlo. Whether it's a troll or not, there's a real person behind the screen. And they are still responsible for their actions. Noong ibalita na ito sa public ng mga news company sa Twitter. Ni-retweet ito ni Kim. Ang sabi ni Kim ay grabe OA naman. NBI agad. So sensitive. Cringe. See you on ASAP. Bakit na-threatened agad si Robbie Domingo? OA ba siya? Sensitive. Anong masasabi nyo? Comment down below.